Hello and welcome. My name is Amol and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set or increase the PHP time limit and max input variables on php.ini file, and also tell you how you can do it if you do not have access to php.ini on your Linux server using user.ini. Okay. So this is WordPress on my Windows 10 using XAMPP. Okay. So all you have to do, locate your php.ini file. I'm going to open the Windows Explorer, get into XAMPP, PHP. Okay, a lot of people call it XAMPP. So XAMPP, XAMPP, whatever you call it. Then PHP folder, and then locate the php.ini. I'm going to open it with Sublime Text. And so you already have those values, but those are not enough. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for 200, which is max execution time, which is time, and anything you put at the very bottom will override the previous one. Okay. So let me see, you can see the number. So if I just decrease it, or just let's say uncomment it. You can't comment it. I'll have to just cut it and have it on clipboard, restart the server, put it back on again, and then just refresh it, and you should see the default values from php.ini. To override, just change the number by looking those values, or just put at the right at the bottom. This is for PHP time. This is for max input vars, which is on my system 3000. Okay, so I'm going to copy these values again, put this in user.ini. So by any chance, if you do not have access to php.ini file, which a lot of servers don't give access to, basically on shared hosting or similar packages. So it should work now. But this doesn't work on Windows. I'm just going to show you how you can do it, but this won't work on Windows operating system. So what I will do, I'll get into the WordPress instance, basically the installation root directory. Go to XAMPP, wherever your WordPress is installed, htdocs, and the folder name of WordPress. And I'm going to use cmd command prompt to create a file. File name is going to be user.ini. Hit enter. Let's see. And you can see this is user.ini. Your values here. Save it. You don't need to restart the server. You should just pick up, but it's not going to pick up here on my system because user.ini doesn't work on Windows systems. Okay. Right, so this is how you can increase time limit, PHP time limit, and max input variables on php.ini file. And if you're on server, you can use user.ini within the WordPress instance root directory. Thank you for watching. Bye.